Sally, why are you still here? What are you doing here?
Sally, why are you still here? ته لا تر اوسه پورې ولې دلته یې؟ What are you doing here? ته دلته څه کوې؟
Nothing, madam. Sir Kevin wants his breakfast.
Nothing, madam. هیڅ هم نه میډمه. Sir Kevin wants his breakfast. Sir Kevin خپل سهار ناشته غواړي.
Allison, what are you doing here?
Allison, what are you doing here? ته دلته څه کوې؟
I need to catch my flight soon. I have just 4 hours.
I need to catch my flight soon. زه باید خپل دغه تیاره ونیسمه ډېر ژر. مطلب ډېر ژر باید ورته ځان ورسوم. I have just 4 hours. زه یوازې 4 ساعتونه لرم.
I want to spend my time with you. Sally, you can go from here.
I want to spend my time with you. زه غواړم چې خپل وخت له تا سره تیر کړم. Sally, you can go from here. ته کولی شې چې د دې ځای څخه لاړه شې.
Okay, madam. Have a good day.
Okay, madam. ټیک ده میډمه. Have a good day. ښه ورځ ولري.
My dear Kevin, I miss you so much. What are you doing these days?
My dear Kevin, زما خوږ کیوینه. I miss you so much. زما ته ډېره یادېږې. What are you doing these days? په دې ورځو کې ته څه کوې؟
Nothing. I just hang out with my friends. What about you?
Nothing. هیڅ هم نه. I just hang out with my friends. بس زه یوازې د خپل ملګرو سره ساتیری کوم. بهر وځم. hang out ویل کېږي د خپل ملګرو سره ساتیری کول، بهر وتل. What about you? د خپل ځان باره کې دې ووایه.
I passed my last semester with flying colors.
I passed my last semester. ما خپل تیر سمستر تیر کړ. With flying colors. له ښو نمرو سره.
I will be joining my mom's company. You should join your mom's company too.
I will be joining my mom's company. زه به د خپلې مور کمپنۍ کې ګډون کوم. You should join your mom's company too. ته هم باید د خپلې مور په کمپنۍ کې ګډون وکړې.
Aunt is swamped these days. You must help your mom in her office work.
Aunt is swamped these days. ترور دی یا ترور مې چې ده هغه ډېره څنګه ده مصروفه ده په دې ورځو کې. ملګرو swamped ویل کېږي ډېر مصروف ده. You must help your mom in her office work. ته باید د خپلې مور کومک وکړې د هغې په دفتري کار کې.
I will join my mom's company soon.
I will join my mom's company soon. زه به د خپلې مور کمپنۍ ډېر زر ګډون وکړم.
You are indolent, Kevin. Let's go out. I want to have something.
You are indolent. Kevin ته ډېر سست یې. کیوینه indolent ویل کېږي سسته. Let's go out. راځه چې بهر لاړ شو. I want to have something. زه غواړم چې یو څه وخورم.
Sally makes delicious food. She can cook something for you.
Sally makes delicious food. Sally خوندور خوراک جوړوي. Delicious ویل کېږي خوندور ته. She can cook something for you. هغه کولی شي چې ستا لپاره یو څه پاخه کړي.
I want to hang out with you. Let's hang out. I am waiting for you outside.
I want to hang out with you. زه غواړم چې تا سره ساتیری وکړم بهر. Let's hang out. راځه چې لاړ شو بهر ساتیري لپاره. I am waiting for you outside. زه ستا لپاره بهر انتظار کوم.
I have to stay away from Kevin, sir. I am just a housekeeper.
I have to stay away from Kevin, sir. زه باید له کیوین ښاغلي څخه لرې واوسم. I am just a housekeeper. زه یوازې یو د کور خدمتګاره یم.
Life is not a fairy tale. Life is not a bed of roses.
Life is not a fairy tale. ژوند چې ده هغه د ښاپېرۍ په شان نه ده. Life is not a bed of roses. ژوند چې ده هغه د ګل په شان نه ده، د ګلان په شان باندې. لکه هغه بستره کې چې ګلان پراته وي که نه دغسې.
I have to put myself together. My mom and I need this job.
I have to put myself together. زه باید خپل ځان سنبال کم. My mom and I need this job. زما مور او زه دې وظیفې ته ضرورت لرو.
I cannot be a weak girl. I have to be strong.
I cannot be a weak girl. زه یوه کمزور جنۍ نشم کېدلی. I have to be strong. زه باید قوي اوسم.
Welcome, madam. What can I do for you?
Welcome, madam. ښه راغلاست میډمه. What can I do for you? زه ستا لپاره څه کولی شم؟
Nothing. Are you Sally's mom?
Nothing. هیڅ هم نه. Are you Sally's mom? آیا ته د سیلي مور یې؟
Yes. Sally is my daughter. Did she do something?
Yes, ho. Sally is my daughter. سیلي زما لور ده. Did she do something? آیا هغې څه کړي دي؟
No. I heard she is a great cook. I want to have something special.
No, نه. I heard. ما اورېدلی دي. She is a great cook. چې هغه یوه ښه اشپزه ده. cook دلته مطلب دی اشپزه. I want to have something special. زه غواړم چې یو څه خاص وخورم.
Sure, madam. She will make a delicious cake for you. Do you love dessert?
Sure, madam. یقینا میډمه. She will make a delicious cake for you. هغه به ستا لپاره یو خوندور کیک جوړ کړي. Do you love dessert? آیا ته ته خواږه خوند درکوي؟ dessert ویل کېږي خوږو ته.
Yes. I do. I will be waiting.
Yes, I do. هو بالکل. I will be waiting. زه به انتظار کوم.
Allison. I am ready. Where do you want to go?
Allison, I am ready. زه تیار یم. Where do you want to go? چیرته غواړې چې لاړه شې؟
Sally is making a cake for me. Come and join us. I am fine here.
Sally is making a cake for me. Sally زما لپاره یو کیک جوړوي. Come and join us. راځه او موږ سره ګډون وکړه. I am fine here. زه دلته ټیک یم.
Mom is calling.
Pick up the phone. I want to talk to my sister.
Pick up the phone. موبایل اوچت کا. I want to talk to my sister. زه غواړم چې له خپلې خور سره خبرې وکړم.
I need to do the laundry, Sally.
I need to do the laundry, Sally. زه باید یا ضرورت لرم یا زه باید چې وکړم د کالي پرېمینځم. laundry ویل کېږي د کالیو مینځلو ته.
You can do the laundry, Mom. I am here. The cake is about to ready.
You can do the laundry, Mom. ته کالي مینځلی شې مورې. I am here. زه دلته یمه. The cake is about to ready. بس کیک همدا اوس تیاریږي.
Why is Sally ignoring me? I need to talk to her.
Why is Sally ignoring me? Sally ولې ما نظر انداز کوي؟ ignore ویل کېږي ملګرو نظر انداز کول. I need to talk to her. زه باید د هغې سره خبرې وکړم.
She has to answer my question.
She has to answer my question. هغه باید زما سوال ته ځواب راکړي.
I am coming, Sally. I cannot wait anymore.
I am coming, Sally. زه درځمه Sally. I cannot wait anymore. زه نور انتظار نشم کولی.
Sally, do you have a minute?
Sally, do you have a minute? آیا ته یو منټ لرې؟
Kevin, sir. What are you doing here?
Kevin, sir, what are you doing here? زه دلته څه کوې؟
I want to talk to you. Why are you ignoring me?
I want to talk to you. زه غواړم چې له تا سره خبرې وکړم. Why are you ignoring me? ته ولې ما نظر انداز کوې؟
It's not like this, sir. I am so sorry.
It's not like that, sir. داسې نه ده ښاغلیه. I am so sorry. زه ډېره بخښنه غواړم.
You did not listen to me. I want to say something, Sally.
You did not listen to me. تا ما ته غوږ ونه نیو. I want to say something, Sally. زه غواړم چې تا ته یو څه ووایم Sally.
Why are you ignoring me?
Why are you ignoring me? ته ولې ما نظر انداز کوې؟ ما ته بیخي ګورې نه.
I am not ignoring you, sir. You should not be here.
I am not ignoring you, sir. زه ته نه نظر انداز کومه ښاغلیه. You should not be here. ته باید دلته موجود نه وای.
Please leave me alone. I am just a housekeeper.
Please leave me alone. مهرباني وکړه ما یوازې پرېږده. I am just a housekeeper. زه یوازې د کور خدمتګاره یم.
You are a queen, Sally. You are mine.
You are a queen, Sally. ته یوه شهزادګۍ یې سیلي. queen ویل کېږي شهزادګۍ ته. You are my. ته زما یې.
Please, sir. I don't want to hear anything.
Please, sir. مهرباني وکړئ ښاغلیه. I don't want to hear anything. زه نه غواړم چې یو څه واورم.
Okay, Mom. I will see you soon. Take care.
Okay, Mom. Take the مورې. I will see you soon. زه به له تا سره زر ګورم. Take care. خیال دې ساته.
Aunt. Where is Kevin?
Aunt. Where is Kevin? Kevin چېرته ده؟
He was just here. I think he is in his room.
He was just here. هغه بس دلته و. I think زما په فکر he is in his room. هغه په خپله کوټه کې ده.
I will be back.
I will check on him. زه به هغه وګورم. وبه لټوم. I will be back. زه به بېرته راځم.
Please, Kevin, sir. You have to go from here.
Please, Kevin, sir. مهرباني وکړه Kevin ښاغلیه. You have to go from here. ته باید له دې ځای څخه لاړ شې.
I cannot talk to you right now. Anyone can see us.
I cannot talk to you right now. زه نشم کولی چې تا سره همدا اوس خبرې وکړم. Anyone can see us. هر څوک موږ کولی شي چې وویني.
Sally. I cannot stop thinking about you.
Sally, I cannot stop thinking about you. زه ستا باره کې فکر بندول نشم کولی چې ستا باره کې فکر بند کړم.
Please don't say anything to me. Why are you doing this?
Please don't say anything to me. مهرباني وکړه ما ته هیڅ هم مه وایه. Why are you doing this? ته دا ولې کوې؟
Could you please leave me alone? I will bring your cake in the living room.
Could you please leave me alone? آیا ته کولی شې خیر زما یوازې پرېږده. I will bring you a cake in the living room. زه به ستا لپاره کیک راوړم هلته کښېنه ستا په کوټه کې چېرې تاسو کښېنئ.
You have to listen to me, Sally. I cannot hide my feelings anymore.
You have to listen to me, Sally. ته باید ما ته غوږ ونیسي سیلي. I cannot hide. زه نشم کولی چې پټ کړم. My feelings anymore. زما احساسات نور.
Kevin dear. Where are you?
Kevin dear. Kevin ښاغلیه. Sorry. Kevin محبوبه یا خوږه. Where are you? ته چېرته یې؟
Fine, Sally. I am going now, but I will talk to you later.
Fine, Sally. Take the Sally. I am going now. زه وځمه. But لیکن I will talk to you later. زه به له تا سره وروسته خبرې کوم.
Kevin dear. What's going on here? I have been looking for you, Kevin.
What's going on here? دلته څه روان دي؟ I have been looking for you, Kevin. زه ستا لټنه کوم کیوینه. تا ګورم ته چېرته؟
You both are always seen together. What's the matter?
You both are always seen together. تاسو دواړه همیشه یو ځای لیدل کیږئ. What's the matter? څه مسله ده؟
What are you talking about, Allison? I was hungry, that's why I came in the kitchen.
What are you talking about, Allison? ته د څه باره کې خبرې کوې الیسنه؟ I was hungry. زه وږی ومه. That's why نو ځکه I came in the kitchen. زه پخلنځي ته راغلم.
Sir Kevin is right. Your cake is ready, madam.
Sir Kevin is right. Sir Kevin بالکل صحیح ده. Your cake is ready, madam. ستا کیک تیار ده میډم.
Come with me, Kevin. I want to spend my time with you.
Come with me, Kevin. ما سره راشه کیوینه. I want to spend my time with you. زه غواړم چې خپل وخت له تا سره تیر کړم.
I love it. This is scrumptious.
I love it. ما دا خوند راکوي. مینه ورسره کوم دې سره. This is scrumptious. دا ډېر خوندور ده. په زړه پورې ده. Scrumptious ویل کېږي خوندور ده. اعلی ترین ده.
There is something between them. I will not let that happen.
There is something between them. دوی مابین کې یو څه شته ده. I will not let that happen. زه به دا پرېنږدم چې واقع شي.
Kevin is right. I have never had a cake like this before in my life.
Kevin is right. Kevin بالکل صحیح ده. I have never had a cake. ما هیڅ کله هم نه خوړلی دا کیک like this before in my life د دې په شان باندې زما په ژوند کې مخکې.
Thanks, madam. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks madam. مننه madam. Enjoy your meal. له خپل غذا څخه خوند واخلئ.
I have to find Sally. I must talk to her boss again.
I have to find Sally. زه باید سیلی پیدا کړم. I must talk to her boss again. زه باید د هغه له مشر سره دوباره خبرې وکړم.
She must be hiding from me. She knows about Sally.
She must be hiding something from me. هغه ضرور له ما څخه یو څه پټوي. She knows about Sally. هغه د سیلی باره کې پوهیږي.
It had a great time with you, Aunt. I will come again.
It had a great time with you and تا سره دا ما ډېر ښه وخت تېر کړ and مطلب تا سره یو ډېر ښه وخت و زما. I will come again. زه به دوباره بیرته راځم.
Most welcome, my sweetie. Kevin will drop you off to the airport.
Kevin will drop you off to the airport. Kevin به تا تر ایرپورټ پورې ویسي. هغه ته به دې کته کړي.
Let's go, Kevin dear.
Let's go Kevin dear. راځه چې لاړ شو Kevin خوږه.
Okay, Kevin dear. We will be in touch. Take care.
Okay Kevin dear. ټیک ده Kevin خوږه. We will be in touch. موږ په رابطه کې اوسو. We will be in touch مطلب دا چې موږ په رابطه کې اوسو. Take care. خیال دې ساته.
Take care of yourself, Allison. Have a great journey.
Take care of yourself, Allison. د خپل ځان د خیال ساته Allison. Have a great journey. یوه ښه سفر ولري.
I will come soon again.
I will come soon again. زه به دوباره بیرته ژر راځم.
Kevin is just mine. I love Kevin. I have to come back here again.
Kevin is just mine. Kevin یوازې زما ده. I love Kevin. زه د Kevin سره مینه کوم. I have to come back here again. زه باید دوباره دلته بیرته راشم.
Sally is obstacle between us. I have to do something.
Sally is obstacle between us. Sally زموږ په مابین کې یو خنډ ده. Obstacle ویل کېږي خنډ ته. I have to do something. زه باید یو څه وکړم.
Kevin is in love. I can see everything. I will not let that happen.
Kevin is in love. Kevin په مینه کې ده. I can see everything. زه هر څه لیدلی شم. I will not let that happen. زه به دا پرېنږدم چې واقع شي.
Excuse me.
Who are you?
Who are you? Sogita.
I want to talk to Mrs. Parker. I am Sally's father.